Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and recover your snap streaks. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, open up your Snapchat app first. Once the Snapchat app is open, what you're gonna do is afterwards, if in case you have lost your snap streaks, you want to recover them, what you're gonna do is simply gonna tap on the profile icon first of all. Tap on this settings icon on top right corner. Now if you scroll down here in the section of support, you can see the first is I have lost my snap streak, because this is the problem so many users of Snapchat are facing, unfortunately. So if you want them, you can simply go ahead, tap on this I have lost my snap streak option right in the support section. Here you will be able to find what best describes the issue. You can go ahead, how do I restore my snap streak, which we want to do it. You can see if you have recently lost a snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore, or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation as it mentions. You can start a new snap streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth. So this is it. If in case you have lost, you will have to purchase it. Now it says from Snapchat itself, and the other option shows again for you to resend your Snapchat snaps for you to create a new snap streak. Unfortunately, this is a solution provided by Snapchat itself. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.